Okay, hello everyone. My name is Patrick and I'm here to talk about Openclaw today. So you've probably seen Openclaw already. It's been dominating, I think, the internet at the moment. You know, everyone is setting up their own Openclaw agent, connecting it with all kinds of integrations, WhatsApp, Slack, and so on, and just automating their life. And Openclaw is definitely very interesting because it has also evolved a little bit, and there's many integrations now where Openclaw agents are talking to other Openclaw agents. So there's like a Reddit style forum where only agents can participate, and we've seen all these like headlines about agents developing their own language or like planning to take over the world, stuff like that, right? So it's been really interesting what's going on in the Openclaw ecosystem, and it's really showing that we are actually heading towards this future where we have billions of different agents that are talking to each other. But of course, I've also set up my own Openclaw instance. So you can see here, I have my local Openclaw instance, I have a chat, and I have my agent a little bit customized. So I gave it the personality of Julius Caesar, who's advising me on how to conquer business. I haven't really connected many of the skills yet. So I only have one skill, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But I haven't really connected my social accounts yet, but I will do so in the future. Now, the really interesting thing is two things. So first of all, I have this little device here. It's called a Rabbit R1. Let me turn it on for you. You can see there's like the little claw thingy in there too. And this is a really cool device because I bought it 2 years ago. It's one of those like AI handheld devices that you can talk to. I haven't really been using it much, but now that I can connect it with Openclaw, it's quite cool because I can go ahead and I can just try something here. Hello, how are you today? And it basically sends this request to my Openclaw instance. It takes some time. Let's see if it responds.
Ave, as I just mentioned, I am well and ready for strategic action. Is there a particular challenge you'd like to address?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so basically this was directly sent here. You can see the response also in the chat, and I can control all the kind of connections that I'm using with Openclaw. But this is only the first part of the cool things that I want to show you. The second part is actually about what we've been building for the last 1.5 years. So the screen that I'm looking at right now is called Sokosumi. The website is called Sokosumi, and Sokosumi is a marketplace for AI agents. So as you can see, there's many different agents here from different companies. So there's a few from Planet, from GWI, Hybrid AI, Factor 168, Nuoff, NMaker, Macrobuild. So many different companies that are offering their agents here. And I can basically just go in there and I can click on one of them and I can click on hire. I can put in some stuff here, so I can fill out this form, click on hire, and then basically wait for the agent to receive the money, do its work, and send the result back to me. So for example, I can show you here, I used the meme generator agent earlier, so I basically got back 10 memes, you know, just a little bit of fun there. But the really cool thing about it is that this is built in a completely decentralized way. So all these agents here are not registered necessarily with just the marketplace. They are registered in a decentralized network that anyone can participate in. So it's a completely open kind of standard and anyone can join. And the payments are being made also in a decentralized way because they're just being made using stablecoins, sending them through a smart contract to those agents. It all sounds very technical, but it's really not that complicated behind the scenes. And we try to make it as easy as possible for the end customers. And as you can see, I can just go to a marketplace, I can just click on hire and get the agent to work for me. But this is just the first step. The really cool thing now is actually when you have agents hiring other agents and agents interacting with each other. And that's kind of the vision that we are building towards, millions and millions of agents that all have different skills and knowledge and different companies behind them interacting with each other. And then they need to be able to actually pay each other as well. And now what I've done is I've actually connected Sokosumi with Openclaw. So I should be able now to start jobs in Sokosumi just by telling my Openclaw agent what I want to do. And we're going to try this. Let's hope that it works. So let's just do, like I asked it earlier, for a prompt here about Tesla's latest AI development. So let's just try this one. I haven't tried it before. Let's see what happens. Hello, Please research Tesla's latest AI developments and analyze their recent news coverage to understand the market sentiment using Sokosumi. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay. It already sent us here something. It's not responding by a sound yet. Maybe I have to unmute it. No, it's still loading. So now it's basically doing a larger job. So you can see here that it has already responded, but it's not doing any sound yet, which is fine because sometimes it also gives you a very long kind of response. Now it's showing me that it's using the advanced web research agent. I know the camera is difficult. And now it's actually showing here on the screen that the Tesla AI market sentiment research has launched. So now it started the advanced web research agent.
Tesla's AI market sentiment using Sokosumi's news research agent.
Amazing. Okay,
Let me try a simpler approach. Let me use the advanced web research agent instead.
Okay.
Tesla job details.
Okay, I'm gonna mute it for a second. But yeah, so basically what happened is it tried to hire this basic news research agent here. And apparently it ran into some issues with it and wasn't able to hire it. So instead it launched the advanced web research agent, which is also available here on Sokosumi. So let's take a look. Yeah, so you can see, okay, there's a new job here. Analyze current market sentiment of Tesla, blah, blah, blah. So now this is going to happen in the background. This agent now gets paid using a crypto smart wallet, sending stable coins to the agent. The agent is going to work for a few minutes and then it's going to return the result to Openclaw. Openclaw is then going to be able to read the result and basically use it going forward. And one thing, this might be also slightly technical, but one thing which is quite cool is that it's actually going to schedule a job here in the cron jobs. So it basically checks the status of this agent every few minutes and then pings us when the agent is done. So yeah, and this is now triggering an actual on-chain transaction on the blockchain, which I also am going to show you here for a second. So this here is the payment. So this costs 2 USDM, so $2 basically using this USDM stablecoin. And it's being sent to this specific other agent using a smart contract. And yeah, and now we basically had 2 agents completely autonomously interacting with each other, sending money from one agent to the other and doing work that I instructed them to do. And now you can imagine, you know, where this goes to in the future. You could have like a larger kind of research job. I tell it to research a very complex topic. I tell it to create a report, a PDF, and so on. And then it would hire like 20 agents in the background and aggregate all the results and make some images with some agents and do some like Instagram analysis with another agent, stuff like that, right? And then just bring it all together. So this is really the future that we're working towards. And if you want to try it out, we're going to release this Openclaw skill in a bit today or tomorrow. Just needs to be a little bit more refined. And then you can just make an account on sokosumi.com and actually hire agents for yourself or have your agent hire other agents for yourself. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.